estudiantes, este es Mr. Señor. These are video directions for this assignment. I was going to do a circle, but I think this is going to be more important for our virtual students, so I can kind of explain what these two terms mean. Antecedente and direct object pronoun, or DOP. Don't be confused by fancy grammar terms. I'm going to break them down so that you know what they mean. So a direct object pronoun, we've been looking at it actually since last week, these terms, and they're telling us who an action happens to. They're the words for me, you, him, her, it, us, and them in Spanish. In fact, I'm going to get out of this presentation mode. And those words, if you're not sure what they were, they are me, te, le, for people. And then in the notes, I introduced that a feminine it is la, feminine or masculine it is lo. Us is nos, les is for people, and los and las is them for objects. I'm going to erase that just because I'll leave it in here for now, but I will erase it because I don't want that to, I don't know if it'll be clear. Whatever. I might leave it. So another term that we're going to be looking at this week is called antecedent. Do not be confused by this word. It's really simple what it is. Whenever you use the words for him, her, it, and them, and technically all of these direct object pronouns, me, you, but particularly what we're going to be looking at mostly is him, her, it, and them. So that is le for him or her, la, lo for it and them, and les for them, people, and los and las for objects. An antecedent is the words that him, her, it, and them refer back to. Whenever you use any of these terms, it should link back to a subject that you've already talked about. And I'm going to show you what that means in just a minute. The antecedent is the word that him or her, it, and them refer back to. So this is what your task is going to be. You're going to show me that you understand this. I'm going to show you how to do this assignment. You're going to first start off by just reading and understanding what the sentences mean in these slides. So you read, la muchacha come una hamburguesa. Ella la come en 2 segundos. So first you'll start off by translating it. The girl eats a hamburger. She eats it in 2 seconds. First thing you're going to do with this assignment is you're going to highlight or change the color of the word for it, him, her, it, them, us. That's not in that order. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. So this sentence uses the word it. I highlight the word it. Go back into the previous sentence and highlight the word for it, me, you, him, her, it, us, or them in the sentence. So in this case, la comes before a verb, so we know it means it. Your next step is to go back into the sentence and show me you know what the antecedent is. Don't be confused by the word antecedent. Antecedent means the word that me, you, him, her, it, us, and them refer back to. So what does it refer back to in the sentence? If you were thinking hamburger, you are correct. I'll go back and I'll highlight it. And then in the previous sentence, go back and highlight to show me that you understand not only what the word for it is in Spanish, but the word for, in this case, what it was referring back to. You're going to do this for all of the slides. There are just a few here. I think there's like 4 or 5. If you have any questions, you can email me at gmakoski@nrwcs.org. Adios.